Welcome to Sarah's Learning Lab and part 2 of our behavior shaping series. Part 1 taught you how to create a physical vision board. Today, I am going to show you how to create a digital vision board. When you create goals for yourself, it helps to have a visual representation of those goals to help keep you on track. A vision board is simply a way to keep all of your visual reminders in one place. In the case of a digital vision board, that place is on your computer. This method is especially useful for those of you who are frequently on your computer throughout the day. There are two ways to create a digital vision board. You can create an online vision board, or you can create a desktop background vision board. The easiest of these is the online vision board. All you need is an email address for creating an account on a digital pinboard website and some ideas to go with your goals. I like to use Pinterest, so let's take a look at that. Open your browser and go to pinterest.com. First, you will need to create an account using your email address or Facebook login. If you already have an account, the site should remember you and you can simply enter your password. When you get into the site, go to the search bar at the top and type in a word that relates to your goal. Let's say my goal is to take my showers at night, so I'll search for the word shower. Brings up pictures that relate to that word. When you find a word that you like, select the drop-down box and go to Create Board. I'm going to give my board a name. So we'll say goal number 1 and hit Enter. The board is created. You can select another image. Let's say I like this one. Select your drop-down box, and now your new board that you just created should be there. Click on Save, and now you have 2 pictures on your board. If you want to go back and view your board, click on your profile picture and name at the top. You will be taken to all of your boards that you've created. You can click on that board, and it will bring up the images you selected. You can even find some helpful tips on Pinterest on how to achieve your goal. For example, let's say, how to get to work on time. And here you will see images about time management. You can select those, and you can even go to those websites and read all of the tips on how to get to work on time. Great. That completes the online vision board portion of this lesson. Next, we will discuss the desktop background vision board. For this, you will need administrative access to your computer and some type of photo editing tool. If you are using a work or school computer, it may not allow you to download software or save desktop images. For my photo editing tool, I'll be using GIMP for this demonstration because it is free and available for both Mac and Windows users. Please note that I am using Windows 10 in this demonstration. First, you will need to download the GIMP photo editing software. So go to Google and type in GIMP, G-I-M-P. It should be the first website that pops up. It will recognize your operating system, and you should be able to click on Download. Please follow the instructions for getting the software. You can pause the video here while that installs. Great! Now let's open GIMP and create a new file. Go to the File menu and select New. GIMP may already have your screen resolution in the size area. However, if it does not, go to Windows Start menu and start typing in the word Display. Display settings will come up, and you can scroll down to your display resolution. Mine is 1920 by 1080. So I take those numbers, I come back and enter that here and click OK. Now go back to Google and type in a keyword that matches your goal. I'll use the word shower again. Go to the Image tab and find a picture that you like. One recommendation that I have is to change the size setting under Tools to Large. That will give you bigger images to work with. Now find the image that you like, click on it, then right-click, Copy Image. Go back to GIMP, and you can either do Control V, which will paste, or go to Edit and Paste. When the image appears, it may be too large. You can always change the size by either clicking on it or hitting Shift-T. I'm going to size that down. You can also move it around. And when you're done and have it where you want, you can hit Transform. You can also add more images using the same copy-paste techniques if you would like to make a collage. When you're ready to save your work, go to File, and don't save as or save. You're going to actually go to Export as, and you will export as a PNG file. I'm going to save this file as shower. I'm going to save this on my desktop for easy access, but you can save it anywhere as long as you remember where it is. Export. Click Export again. Now let's go to where we saved the image. So here's my image. I'm going to right-click on the file, select Set as Desktop Background, and voila! Now your image is right on your desktop where you can see it every day. Okay, that's all for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create digital vision boards. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your vision board.